1.
Okay, so let's do some perpendicular bisectors. We did these in class. These were pretty easy. They give you directions here of what to do. Place your compass opening greater than half the length, and then we're going to do 2 arcs. So basically, I set my compass up. I make sure I'm more than half the length, and I just do an arc and another arc here. And I can see it intersected just barely here. My pen got a little off. There we go. There's one. Go and do the next one. Sometimes it helps. Turn your paper around. No bothers. So I'll do a big arc. Come over to D. Do the same thing. And connect those points. There we go. And then the last one. Down here at EF. So let's do a big arc. Again, I'm more than halfway through the middle of this. And another big arc. And connect the points. Just remember that this is perpendicular bisector. I'm right angle and I cut the segment in half. That's different than the next page. The next page is a perpendicular from a point on the line. So these are ones where you need to do the big arc first. Okay, so I set up here and I'm going to do an arc through the circle first. Or I'm sorry, through the line first. And probably we'll have to extend the lines. And then from each of these points, I set up a new measurement if I need to and do arcs. I am going to set up a new measurement. I'm going to make it a little longer because I want my arcs to appear somewhere in the middle. Now remember, you're trying to make a perpendicular, trying to make a line that goes at a right angle. So I know I want my marks to be up here. Don't make them over here somewhere. So I set up my compass and I'm going to go over here and then to the other side over here. And there's my mark. So I can come right through there. And now I'm perpendicular. Let's do the same thing with number 2 here. Same idea. Set up and I do a circle. Okay. There's my circle. And I got to extend my line. And now I'm going to go from there. Again, I'm going to use these endpoints here and stretch out my measurement some. I like doing it on the opposite side that I put this measurement so I don't have all these lines crossing. There we go. And draw the line through. 2 more and then we'll do another video for the next piece. So here we go. Same idea. Should be getting good at this now. Okay, there's my circle. Set up at one endpoint. I'm going to make it a little longer. Make a mark over here. Come to this. Make a mark. There we go. I did the circle on top this time. It doesn't really matter. Okay, and same thing here. I'll close it in some so I get a, there we go. I got to extend that line. I got my 2 points now. So from one point, stretch that out some. The other point. The only reason I stretched it out some is that I didn't run into that first circle that I got. Okay, that one's not that great, but it's close enough. Okay, so on to the next page.